Alright, here we go. Gonna do a deep penetration with the CVA WOLF, running a 100 grain charge on the powder, shooting these 325 Aerotips, the power belts right here, and gonna do it at about 50 yards, and we'll see what kind of penetration, deep penetration we got going on that. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, here we go with the black powder. Went a little low, and still an inch and a half or so off the bottom of the board of the smoky oak Bohemian gel blocks, the ballistic blocks, but it still did all right. This is the 100 grain charge. Let's see what we got going on. In and out the first board. Time for a new knife. In and out the first board. Boom. Not a very big hole for that big ass bullet. Into the second. And we're still staying together nicely. Into the third. Remember, this is black powder. Boom. Getting some expansion going on there. Wham. Might actually have a tumble going on. Into the third. This is into the fourth. Into the fourth board. Into the fourth. We're like this. Looks like we might have some tumbling going on. Possibly. Going in there. That's the fourth. Here we go into the fifth. Into the fifth, and we are veering down. Definitely looks like there's a tumble possible. That's a big hole. Into the fifth, veering down, and then the base of the seventh, still plowing through. It looks like it stopped in the seventh. In the seventh, and we still got, and it still managed to split the seventh board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I mean, it went down, still made contact through 6 boards, split the seventh one. I mean, that is a 100 grain charge. So yeah, there ain't no need to waste powder. Not too shabby, not too shabby at all.